Receipt number 4. Receipt number 4. You just saw it, right? When I search birth in the actual project 2025 document on my phone, it comes up 17 times. It comes up 17 times. So speculation is literally straight from the text. And when you pair that with the Department of Education restructuring on page 335 and the Courier article from yesterday, you start to see the pattern they're building towards. You see the patterns very clearly. Okay? So that is receipt number 4. I'm going to bed now. I'll see y'all in the next video. Special note, I did select those articles at random, 3 random, souls objective, and y'all saw the content. This is legally everywhere. We are what? We're legally everywhere, looking at everything. I will see y'all soon. Good night.